Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for November 10th, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is pizza. Pete's a Pizza by William Steig. Pete's in a bad mood. Just when he's supposed to play ball with the guys, it decides to rain. Pete's father can't help noticing how miserable his son is. He thinks it might cheer Pete up to be made into a pizza. So he sets him down on the kitchen table and starts kneading the dough and stretching it this way and that. Now the dough gets whirled and twirled up in the air. Next, some oil is generously applied. It's really water. Then comes some flour. It's really talcum powder. And then some tomatoes. They're really checkers. Pete can't help giggling when his mother says she doesn't like tomatoes on her pizza. "All right," says his father, "no tomatoes, just some cheese. The cheese is pieces of paper." "How about some pepperoni, Petey?" Pete can't answer because he's only some dough and stuff. But when that dough gets tickled, it laughs like crazy. Pizzas are not supposed to laugh. Pizza makers are not supposed to tickle their pizzas. "Well," says his father, "it's time for this pizza to be put in the oven." Ah, now our pizza is nice and hot. Pete's father brings the pizza to the table. "It's time to slice our pizza," he says. But the pizza runs away, and the pizza maker chases him. The pizza gets captured and hugged. Now the sun has come out. And so the pizza decides to go look for his friends. The end. Okay, we're going to play with Play-Doh. The Craft-To-Go kit is a little thing of Play-Doh. Well, not Play-Doh, it's Play-Doh. Dough to play with. It's not Play-Doh brand. And a plastic knife. And we're just going to open that up. See if we can get the lid off. Oh, that's really solidly on there. Okay. There's the dough. Use the knife to get it out. And oh, that's really hard to get out. Okay. Got it all out. Oh, that feels nice. So you're just going to play with Play-Doh, make whatever you'd like. You can get cookie cutters or Play-Doh toys. I have a rolling pin. And I'm going to roll this out. I think I'm going to make a pizza. Maybe cut it off a little bit into a circle. Circle-ish. And I'll make some little pepperonis. Now, if you have your own Play-Doh, you can make different colored toppings so that you can see them better. But I'm just kind of playing with my pink. But there we go. There's my little pizza. And we'll just cut it like a pizza. There's my slice of the pie. Nom 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 nom. That's all you do. Just have fun with your Play-Doh.